Well, we're out here at Urban Blue. This is the day after the snowfall, and you can see that it's all icy. We're dealing with the remnants of the storm. Other than that, I mean, everything looks pretty good. I mean, it's still right above freezing, so but no snow coming in, clear skies. This is unusual for Florida. My previous video showed what it looked like, but this is at the job site at Urban Blue. Still cold, or you can't really do much work. We're gonna try to scrape up and clear the sidewalks for the people today, so we don't have no accidents. Now that the sun's out, make it look a little better for our residents. As you can see, it's warm enough where the water in the pond is not frozen. This is a reminder of my youth, but this was something that happened regularly. Now this is a little different for me because for the last 24 years I've been in warm climate, and this is like a flashback. But you can see that this 6 inches of snow pretty much disappeared. So I just want everybody to stay warm, be safe. Roads are a little icy, but other than that, we're gonna see how we can make everything better. This is from Michael Vasquez of G&V Cleaning Solutions. Have a good day.